Hello guys, everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, we have discussed literals, identifiers, and variables. So, in this video, we will discuss keywords and operators. Before that, in the previous video, I have told you about the identifiers and the literals. So, first, I will tell you the difference between literals and the identifiers. Here, the difference is identifiers are the names assigned to different programming constructs like classes, interfaces, methods, variables, etc. Literals are the values that are assigned to identifiers. This is the main difference between literals and the identifiers. Identifiers are the names that are assigned to the different programming languages like classes, methods, functions, variables, etc. Literals are the values that are assigned to the identifiers. Okay, this is the mainly difference between identifiers and the literals. So let me write here. Difference between literals and identifiers. Literals are the values that are assigned to the identifiers. Identifiers are the names that are assigned to classes, methods, and variables. So please write it down. These questions will be useful to you for the interview questions. So next topic is keywords. Keywords are the reserved words that we are going to use in the program. So in the uh, keywords are different in the versions of Python. In Python 11 version, the keywords are 35. In the version of Python 12, the keywords are 36 keywords. So these keywords are unique words reserved with the different meanings and functions that we can only apply for those functions. Okay. Python built-in methods and classes are not the same as the keywords. We cannot use the keywords as variable names, class, function names. We cannot use. So let me write here. Keywords are reserved words. Reserved words that are used in the program. We cannot use keywords as variable method and function names. So in the version of Python 3.12, 36 keywords are there. So Keywords are the reserved words that are used in the program. We cannot use the keywords as variable names, function names, method names. And in Python 3.1.2 version, there are 36 keywords. Let's see what and all the keywords present in the 3.1.2 version. Let me write here. So let me write here Python keywords. First one is value keywords, or we can say boolean, true or false. Value words are true, comma, false, comma, none. So true and false, they are both used in logical expressions and present in the boolean values true or false. This can be used as boolean values in the program. None is used to represent that there is no value or it is null. Okay. Value keywords, which is boolean values true or false, it can be represent as logical expressions true or false. None is that is used to represent that there is no value or it is null. So second one, operator keywords. Operator keywords are used to perform logical and comparison operations in the Python program, which is and, let me write in the small letters, keywords will be in the small letters, and, or, not, in. And operator is used to return true when the both operands are in true. We can use and operator, or operator is used to return true when at least one of the operand is true. If there is for example in and keyword, so if there is operand true and another one is true, that time the and operator will be used, it will return as true. If there is comparing two values, which is if it returns true when one of the apparent is true. If there is false, true and false, that time it will return true. Not will return the opposite of the apparent. So in keyword is used to represent when the sequence of the specified value is present in the given sequence or not. Is used to compares the identity of the object. So value keywords are true, false, none, and operator keywords are and or not, in, is. So next one is control keywords. Let me write here control keywords. So control keywords are used to execute code blocks with conditional statements. If, elif, and else. If, comma, elif, comma, else. So let's discuss one by one. If condition is used to execute the block of the code. Elif condition is used to check number of conditions. So else block will automatically execute if the condition is false. So these are the control keywords, which is if, elif and else. Next we will see iteration. Iteration keywords. Iteration keywords. Iteration keywords are used to control loop execution, which is for, while, break and continue. For, while, break and continue. So for loop is used to execute over the sequence of the specified element. So while is used to execute as long as the condition is true. Break is used to terminate the loop. It will break the loop. Continue statement is used to skip the current iteration and it will continue to the next iteration of the loop. So these are the iteration keywords, which is for, while, break and continue. For loop will execute the sequence of characters or specified elements. While loop is used to, if the condition, as long as the condition, given condition is true, it will execute. Break condition will break the loop, and continue keyword is used to skip the current iteration and it will continue with the next iteration. So these are the iteration keywords. Next we will see structure keywords. Structure keywords. Structure, what are the structure keywords? Def, class, with, as, pass, lambda. Let me write here. Def, class, with, as, pass and lambda. So let's discuss one by one. Def keyword is used to define a function. Class is used to define a class, and with keyword is used to simplify resource management, as it renames or as alias imported modules or object. For example, if you are imported pandas module from the Python, so it will take alias name as pd. Lambda, it creates an anonymous function. We will discuss this topic in the functions lambda. So pass keyword is nothing will happen if we don't have the code to write inside the function. Just we will write the pass keyword, because if we did not write any code after creating the function, it will use the error. So for that we use the pass keyword. It will not throw any error. So these are the structure keywords: def, class, with, as, pass and lambda. Let's see next keywords are return, returning keywords. Returning keywords are return, comma, yield. These are the two returning keywords, which is return and yield. What will do return keyword? It will exit a function and may also return a value. It will returns the value. Yield keyword is used to stop the execution of a function and will return a value to the caller while the state of the function remains constant. So return keyword is used to execute a function. Yield keyword is used to stop the execution. So there is a difference. Return keyword is used to exit the function, and yield keyword is used to stop the execution of a function and it will return a value to the caller. These are the main differences between these two keywords. Next, we will see import keywords. Import keywords. Import keywords are import from, as. Import. Import from, as. Import keyword is used to import a module. From keyword is used to import a module from a module. As it is used to write alias name of the module. So import keyword is used to import a module, and from keyword is used to import from a module, and as keyword is used to write alias name of the module. Next we will see exception handling. Exception handling keywords. So in the exception we have try, except, rise, finally, else, and accept. Else already we have discussed. If there is any condition is false, so it will automatically execute the else block. So here in exception handling, try, except, raise, finally, and else we have already discussed, and accept. So these are the keywords in the exception handling. So try keyword is used to it will start and check a code block that may have an exception but not execute it. It will check the exception or having in the try block or not. Except block is used for checking handling exceptions. It is used for checking the handling exceptions. And raise keyword is used to raise an exception. Finally keyword, it will execute code no matter if any exceptions occur or not. It will finally execute the code in the finally block whether if it is having any exceptions or not. And assert keyword is used to when the condition is false and assertion error is raised to assert a condition, which means when the condition is false, an assertion error is raised to assert a condition. So these are the exception handling keywords. Next we will see asynchronous keywords. So what are the asynchronous keywords is used for asynchronous programming in Python, which is async. Next one, await. What async keyword will do? It is used for defining a coroutine function. Await keyword is used to it will pass the execution of a coroutine function until its own coroutine function completes. So asynchronous keywords are used for async keyword is used for defining coroutine function, and await keyword is used to pass execution of a coroutine function. So next we will see variable handling keywords. Variable handling keywords. Del, global, non-local. Del keyword is used to delete a variable from a collection. Global keyword is used for declaring a variable with a global scope. And non-local, it is used for declaring a variable with a scope of the nearest function just outside the current one. So these all are the 36 keywords present in the 3.1.2 version. So I will just write. It will be very easy to write in the notes, so that's why I am making it proper line. I will provide these interview questions after completion of course. So you will download these interview questions. It will be useful for to crack the interview. These are the questions they will ask in the interview only. Apart from that, they will not ask anything. I will give each and every interview question related to Python. So don't worry. You just keep it right in your notes, and as well as you can listen interview Python tutorial also. So you don't worry, you just follow my tutorial and you will just write these interview questions in your notebook or a paper. You will definitely get all these questions in interview. You will crack your interview for sure. So that's it guys in this video. We will meet up in the next video with the new topic. Until then, keep watching this video and prepare for the interview as well as learn Python tutorial. So both you will manage in the same time. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and share to your friends and family members. This video will help to them also. And thank you so much. Bye bye.